Are you looking with home cooking on the rise? Pressure cookers have become essential kitchen appliances, saving time while delivering tender, flavorful meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a home chef, or just want convenience, the right pressure cooker can transform your kitchen experience. In this guide, we'll evaluate the best pressure cookers on the market based on versatility, cooking functions, build quality, ease of use, and overall value. Let's dive into the top models of 2025. List 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 offers impressive versatility in one sleek package. As a pressure cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more, it's designed to handle nearly any meal prep task. Its upgraded LCD display is user-friendly, and the new sterilize and sous vide functions elevate its utility. The 15 smart programs make it nearly impossible to mess up a meal. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and dishwasher safe, and its quiet operation is a plus. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, the Duo Plus remains a reliable all-in-one solution at a reasonable price point, making it an ideal choice for families or beginners looking to streamline their cooking routine. List 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a step up in performance and customization. With upgraded inner components and 28 smart programs, it's built for serious home cooks. The thick, tri-ply bottom stainless steel pot ensures even heat distribution and works on all stovetops, including induction. Its steam release switch is safer and more intuitive than older models. The customizable favorites button allows you to save specific settings for your go-to recipes. Whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, or using the sous vide function, this model delivers exceptional results. It's more expensive than entry-level models, but it offers unmatched flexibility for advanced users. List 9. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is the classic that made the brand a household name. It covers the essentials: pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, rice cooking, sautéing, yogurt making, and food warming, with reliability and simplicity. Its control panel is intuitive, and it features 13 built-in smart programs for everyday meals. While it lacks the advanced features found in the Pro series, like sous vide or customizable programs, it's a budget-friendly workhorse, perfect for small families or first-time Instant Pot users. Its compact build and easy cleaning make it a staple in any kitchen. List 4. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. The Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart is a premium, fully connected multi-cooker designed for the tech-savvy chef. It includes 10 functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, and more. But its standout feature is its app integration. You can start, monitor, and adjust cooking from your smartphone. Even get guided recipes through the Instant Brands Connect app. The Pro Plus also offers an automatic steam release, improved inner pot, and precise cooking controls. It's more expensive, but the seamless smart functionality and superior performance make it worth every penny for busy professionals or tech lovers. List number: COSORI Pressure Cooker 6Q Quat 9-in-1. COSORI's 9-in-1 pressure cooker stands out as a strong competitor to Instant Pot. With its sleek design, improved lid safety venting, and multiple cooking modes, it's a value-packed option. The control panel is intuitive and includes presets for meat, beans, rice, soup, and more. The 6-quart size is ideal for mid-sized households. The steam release mechanism is safer than many traditional models, and its anti-spin pot base ensures secure use. While it lacks app connectivity and some of the polish of higher-end Instant Pots, COSORI delivers reliable cooking performance at a more affordable price point.